Hi guys, so as we had promised, we will come up with a full hostel tour. So here we are. I'm Kushal and I am a student of this year's IPM program at IIM Indore. And I'm standing currently in front of SR18, Student Residence 18. And on this side, as you have already seen in the campus tour video, it's the SR15. These are for the IPM 4th and 5th year students, and the first 3-year students of IPM are currently residing in SR18, the boys hostel. So let's move in. So in SR18 we have two blocks, the front block and this block on the back side. In the front block we have the badminton court here on this side, and currently it's raining. And also we have these sitting areas, as you can see, so you can come here during evening or during the nights to have chit chat with your friends, to just have fun, have jamming session and all. So that's about the front block. And in this backward block we don't have any sports facility as such, but again the same sitting area is there, so again the same thing. And here on this side we have the cloakroom. So whenever you go back home and evacuate your rooms for cleaning purposes and all, you can keep your stuff here. So and again when you come back you can take it. It's fully secure, so there's no problem with keeping. And again now we come to the common room, SR18 common room. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, we have a table tennis table, and again some small events keep happening here. So like section wars and all, they happen in this area or some other hostel table tennis table. And again in the coming time, some more facilities are going to come, some game boards or some table sports. So when you come, you might see a different picture here. I think now we can move to the first floor. So we have come to the first floor, and on every floor we have approximately 3 water coolers, and you can get hot and as well as cold water from them. And this is the washing machine area. So we have 2 laundry areas, one on the first floor and one on the second floor, with 2 washing machines in each of the laundries. You can come here anytime and do your laundries here. That's the most of the part of the infrastructure about the hostel. Now let's move on to the room.
So to end the video, we have the room tour of IIM Indore. Now these rooms will be allotted to you in the first 3 years of IPM. Now currently we are at a triple sharing basis, so we have 3 sets of everything. We have a set of 3 beds, set of 3 tables, set of 3 almiras. We also have a common bookshelf here, so you can divide it amongst yourself and add different things here. Now we have a beautiful view from each room. Different people try and put different arrangements for their room. For example, you can have 3 beds in a row, you can have all your tables there and everything. You have multiple ports to charge your phones, laptops or any other devices. You also have 3 LAN connections. So if you want to connect your laptop with a LAN connection, you can. You also have Wi-Fi available in the room as well as in the hostel and in the around areas. Now let's have a look at the washrooms. The washrooms are basically a connecting path between 2 rooms. So it's sort of a common washroom with 2 sets of everything. So you have 2 washing areas, you have 2 toilets, you have 2 bathing areas, and here we have a common balcony where you can dry your clothes or just enjoy the view. And here you can see is the door of the adjacent room, so you can also go from this side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the Supergrads YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one.